came and you gave without taking, but I sent you away. Oh, madly, you kissed me and stopped me from shaking.
Sa Manila doon sa Ras lang sa Ras.
YouTube.
Grabe na.
Something on your action time. Walk away from love.
Harap naman sa camera, harap naman.
Caught up in a world of popular. The tears are in my mind. Nothing is running on that. When you came and you gave me the taking,
Sayo ka dito.
but I sent you away. Oh, man. You kissed me and stopped me from shaking. And I need you today. Oh, man.
Huwag yung i-upload sa mobile.
Yesterday's dream has no more. The crying and embrace, the pain is calling on me. You came and you gave me no taking, but I sent you away. Oh, man, you kissed and stopped me no taking, and I need you today. Oh, man, you give me, you take it, but I sent you away. Oh, man, you kiss me and stop me from shaking, and I need you.
Wow.
This coming Thursday po may concert po yung Reman Boys. Sana po makakuha po kayo ng ticket. Ang ticket po available sa lahat ng mobile site. Lalo-lalo na may branch natin sa Bani. Nakaka-avail po kayo ng ticket. May kasama na pong popcorn. Sa po, ang ticket po ay nagkakalaga na 15 reals.
Sponsor, salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sponsors namin para sa concert.
May pangalan ng ano?
Pinapasalamatan namin si Isda Isda, isa nagtatanisda sa amin, at Gulay Gulay.
Si Kadlor, si Rapi, na ano.
Si Rapi, ang may-ari po ng ating sound system.
Sponsor po niya.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng dadalo at hindi may dadalo.
Sino ba nanalo ngayon?
Hinihintay ko nanalo ko sino.
Hindi may concert kasi tayo.
Alak ko'y contest.